Lemko Language, Lesson 18. Questions. Lemkiuski język, 18 lekcja. Żwidania. Let's go over some commonly used question words in Lemko. Kto. Kto means who. Što. Što means what. Kole. Kole means when. De. De means where. Chom. Chom means why. Jak. Jak means how. Kilko. Kilko means how much or how many. Kade. Kade means which way. Odkal. Odkal means where from. Forming questions. For the most part, the word order for questions is the same as for statements. Although word order is more flexible in Lemko than in English, assume for now Lemko has the same word order as English. There are two main types of questions. The first type is with a question word. For this type, the question word is first, followed by the rest of the statement. Let's take a look at the following statement. Ty chcesz zjisty chneska. Ty chcesz zjisty chneska means you want to eat today. To make this into a question, we can add a question word. So we get Što ty chcesz zjisty chneska? Što ty chcesz zjisty chneska? What do you want to eat today? The second question type is a question with a yes or no answer. For this type, simply raise the intonation of your voice towards the end of the question. Additionally, the word cy may be added to the beginning of the question. Let's take a look at the following statement. Widzisz toho człowieka. Widzisz toho człowieka means you see this man. To make this into a question, we can raise the intonation towards the end of the question. So we get Widzisz toho człowieka? Widzisz toho człowieka means do you see this man? Remember, we can also add cy along with raising the intonation, and the question becomes Czy widzisz toho człowieka? Czy widzisz toho człowieka means do you see this man? This concludes Lesson 18. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.